an in-between hop. Actually, he only lost the ball as he tried to make the exchange from the glove to his throwing hand. That's when he lost it. Let's throw that as a hit for Mercer. It was a nice pickup, but then he fumbled it trying to make the exchange.
Are you shitting me?
So here now is Freeze. 2 men on, nobody out. Freeze is the
You came into my lane, you asshole.
And he takes the strike.
You came into my lane, dude.
Swing. The ball down and away. No swing on the appeal to Chris Conway. Is the ruling. Boshears, the left-hander had been throwing, but now he stops.
You came into my lane, that's why I honked. That's what a horn's for, dumbass. Yeah, flip me off all you want. You were wrong.
4-1 Giants, 8th inning. Pirates with a threat, a pitch. Powell coming back into the second deck. Freeze, I don't know the Pirates' top.
You're a fucking idiot.
292 average and a 346 on base percentage. 209 at bats. He's hit 9 homers and 9 doubles. He's had 7 pinch hits in 24. Also has not been 7 runs as a pinch hitter.
You're a fucking idiot.
A ball and 2 strikes.
You're lucky you don't got plates. If you had plates, I'd be getting the cops on you. I got my baby in the car, you asshole. You're the one that cut me off. That's why I honked in the first place.